All right, guys, it's our second day of doing Quill, so I'm going to go ahead and walk you through today's lesson. So, if you go and log into Quill and you select your classroom in the Quill app, then you'll be able to see the April 14th assignment. When you click on that, you'll get a screen that looks like this, and then you would say begin. So at the top, we have our bar that measures our progress. So there are 10 questions I can tell, and I'm on question number 1. So it kind of gives us a reminder of what we learned yesterday. Put A before a thing when it does not start with a vowel, A, E, I, O, U. Put an before a thing when it does start with a vowel, A, E, I, O, U. And then put the before a specific thing. So if you see, I can see blank brown dog, then you would write the sentence, I can see a brown dog. So our first one is music is blank pastime of mine. We need to fill it with a or an, it says. So I look at the next word. It starts with a P, which is not a vowel, so I would just use a. Remember, when we are using Quill, we need to make sure that our capitalization, spelling, and spacing is all correct. So make sure we're being careful as we copy that sentence. We're capitalizing the beginning, putting a period on the end. All the words are spelled correctly, and then we have proper spacing. Get feedback. Remember, when we click on that, it'll take us to the next one. There's blank open box on the table. So again, there's a or an. So looking at this one, O is a vowel. So I would say an. Looking at my progress bar, I've done 3 of 10. Please pass blank gravy, a or an or the. So am I saying just pass any old gravy, or am I probably talking about a specific gravy? Probably the one on the table, right? So please pass the gravy. Okay, so I think you guys get the idea of what you're going to do for today's lesson and today's practice. Again, we're just paying attention to when we have a or an, we're paying attention to the next word if it starts with a vowel or a consonant. And then we're listening for things that are specific when we want to use the.